I'll never let you go. Don't worry. Don't worry, you're gonna be just fine. When you're screwing out the wood dowels, it does make a lot of dust. But anyway, so you put that in there. We're just gonna hammer that in. Was this project perfect? No, perfection is so overrated. Well, hello. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Robbie, or as I go by, Reluctant Robbie. Today, we are doing a restoration project on my mid-century modern chair. This is my baby, or my chair. This chair I've had probably for maybe 10 years. It was one of the first restoration projects, essentially, I took on or I picked up when I first decided that I was gonna be a reseller and I was gonna start reselling vintage. I'm gonna try and do it in a record time. What does that mean for you? Hopefully this video turns out to be fixing my chair in less than 5 minutes. I hope I can do it quickly. I'm hoping the video is short. I wanna show you guys how easy it is to fix your chair or your vintage item and get it back to working in no time. As you can see here, she had a little accident. Her legs came off. You can see the dowels actually broke in half. On the other side, the dowel is also broken in half. I guess this was broken in half before I bought it, and what they did was they just used some wood glue to put it together. So that's not very sturdy. So the first thing we're gonna do, since this is not coming out, it's been wood glued in, is you're gonna take the saw and saw off all the extra bits. This will make it easy for you to do the screws inside. Okay, so that's number one. And okay, so this is the easiest part. We're gonna just take our dowels now. We're gonna put glue on the dowels, glue inside the holes, and then we're just gonna hammer them into the holes that they came out of. And then we're gonna put the chair back on top, or the leg on top of that, and the same process on the other side. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So here you got your dowels. We're gonna open up our glue. Come on, glue. There we go. Okay. Put a little bit of glue inside the hole. Easy. Put a little bit of glue on the dowels. Just gonna spread that glue along so that it gets into all the ridges of the dowels, because the dowels are ridged. Let's do that. But anyway, so you put that in there. We're just gonna hammer that in. We're just gonna put on our piece back on the other side. And I'm just gonna check to make sure I'm doing it on the correct side. Yep, okay. And I'm gonna put on a little bit of glue on my dowels. And then we'll be good to go. A mallet would be better here instead of a hammer. I don't have one. I'm gonna go get some rubber, put it on top, and then I'll hammer it with my hammer. Okay, so we're finally on our last step, which is just using the Irwin Quick Grip to keep it together as the glue dries. So you're gonna stick this on one side of your chair, and then on the other side, go. All right, well, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video about fixing your own chairs, doing it yourself. I hope you guys love the channel. Anything you want to see on the channel, please drop a note in the comments below. All right, see you soon. Bye. Say bye, nibbies. Okay.
They say time's got a good way of going right through the motions.